Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can hide your followers on your profile in LinkedIn. So if someone browsing your profile and you don't want your followers to be seen by them, this method will help you achieving that. So let me show you how you can do that. Once you are logged into your LinkedIn account, you need to go to your settings. You can simply achieve that by clicking on the me icon here and then click on settings and privacy. Once you are in your settings, you need to click on the visibility. And now on the visibility of your profile network, you can see there's an option for who can see members you follow. Click on this setting. By default, it is set to anyone on LinkedIn. So if you want to hide your followers, just click on the only visible to me. Once you do that, your followers from the public will be hidden. And now you can go back to your feed and no one will be able to see your followers. And this is it guys, this is how you can hide your followers on your profile. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.